Welcome to Gumera's 3D world. For Volkswagen and Audi engines, let's 3D print this donut tool. Here is the finished crankshaft tool. Don't forget to subscribe.
Alright, so what you're looking at is this is a donut tool for VW 2.0 TSI engine turbo. You're gonna need this tool, this donut tool, when you're doing a timing chain for this engine. And I'm going to make, I was wondering if I could make a 3D print with this tool, because this is a plastic or ceramic, but I think plastic would do, and 3D print it. But if you don't have this, you can order online. But if you have a 3D printer, you can just print it. So here's the size for the donut. If you're going to print it, so the inside hole, see the inside hole, the green, is 17.36 or 35, and the outside diameter, right, it's 35 millimeters, right? And then the height of this tool would be 15, right? The height of this tool is 15 millimeter height. That's exactly the same size with this one, the original tool. If you're doing this to 3D print, that's all the information that you need. So let's 3D print it. Alright, there it is. Done. Right? So it's almost the same. So here it is. Which one is the original? You can't even tell. Right? So this is the original, and this is the 3D printer. 3D print. Exactly the same. Alright, thank you for watching. If this video helped, please consider to subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you.
If you're not subscribed, you might miss out of seeing me again. But if you are, congrats. You're on a journey of continuous growth.